Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to copy link your Wix website step by step. Open your Wix editor or dashboard, then publish or go to site address. Click the share button and choose copy link. Confirm the link is in your clipboard and paste it into a message, social post, or document to share instantly with anyone who needs access. Open your Wix dashboard and select sites to manage the specific website. Then look for more actions or the three dots menu to find the share or preview link. Click copy and test the link in a new browser tab to make sure it opens the published page you intend to share with colleagues, clients, or social followers. If this video is helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more step-by-step guides. Quick recommendation. I use these leak-proof containers for meal prep. They save time and reduce spills, which is oddly satisfying when managing client projects and demos. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Then grab a snack. And now let's get back to the video. If you need to share a specific page, open that page in the editor and use page info or the share option to copy its direct link. Optionally add UTM tags for tracking. Then paste into emails or posts to send users straight to the exact content, which helps guide visitors and improves conversion when sharing promotional or important pages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.